hiccups, what causes them and how to stop them quickly. The vast majority have encountered them, and some of them experience difficulty halting them. Obviously, we are discussing hiccups. A hiccup is a surprising and unconstrained constriction of our stomach which happens together with larynx compression and conclusion of the glottis. Thusly the wind stream is blocked, and this is the thing that prompts the particular hiccup sound. Despite the fact that this sound makes individuals around you snicker, you are presumably mindful that hiccups are chafing and disappointing. In lion's share of cases, hiccups stop all alone following few moments or 2 or 3 minutes, and they don't bring about any difficult issue. In any case, it is not unordinary for individuals to experience hiccups that keep going for a drawn-out stretch of time. In cases this way, individuals experience difficulty completing their ordinary assignments and nodding off. It regards bring up that there are situations when hiccups must be evacuated with expert restorative help, however these cases are to a great degree uncommon. Hiccups causes. There are a wide range of things that trigger hiccups, and some of them include serious emotions including rapture, bliss, fear or potentially uneasiness, quick eating or gorging, utilization of high measure of soda pops, utilization of fiery or dry nourishment, fast change of the temperature in the stomach, unnecessary drinking of liquor, serious giggling. How might we stop hiccups? As we have as of now stated, by and large hiccups vanish without mediation inside minutes. Be that as it may, there are circumstances when hiccups last more. In the event that the hiccups keep going for over 2 days, you should visit your specialist's office and discover an answer for this issue. What's more, there are some all-regular cures that have turned out to be useful when individuals manage hiccups. Regardless of the possibility that you are encountering these constrictions for a moment, it is dependably a smart thought to attempt these cures and stop the hiccups instantly. Albeit some of them look entertaining and absurd, they really work. On the off chance that one of them doesn't work, attempt another. Take in and keep your breath as much as you can. In this way, breathe in and tally to 10 or 15 preceding breathing out. Play out this strategy 3 or 4 times. Take a glass of cool faucet water. Drink 10 little tastes from the glass as quick as you can, or simply swish with frosty water for some time. Take a teaspoon of nectar or sugar. Breathe in and breathe out in a paper sack. In the event that you can't discover a paper pack, you can utilize your hands to cover the mouth and nose and take along these lines for a moment or 2. Keep the tongue out of your mouth. Do this the length of you can, and the hiccups ought to be gone in under 30 seconds. Keep the ear secured. Delicately cover the ears with the fingers or hand for a large portion of a moment. Many individuals say that this practice helps them unfailingly. Nibble a cut of lemon or simply drink one taste of apple juice vinegar. You will take out the hiccups because of the acidic way of lemon. Bring the knees up towards your trunk and push them against the trunk as much as you can.